2 Orlando Pirates not Sekhukhune United. Amathimba amaningi ayawina engabe yakhe team iyawina na. Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ama positives nama negatives yale game ade siyibuka namhlanje. Obekade kuyi game emnandi indlela eyisimanga. Lapho khona Orlando Pirates ekwazile ukuthi ke ithole u3 points after ke kwi game yesibili ebekade beyidlala neSekhukhune United. Remember phela ngeweekend badlalile lamathimba amabili. Orlando Pirates lapho khona iwine ngo-1-0. Na iyona ke le game edlalwe namhlanje Orlando Pirates iphinde futhi ke yawuthola u3 points yawina ke ngo-2-0. Igame elandelayo ilapho khona Orlando Pirates ayobhekana naso futhi ke iSekhukhune kwi second leg of iMTA Need. Lapho ke kuyoqokwa khona ukuthi ke ubani kahle ubanqoba ozoyale kwifinal yeMTA Need. Ingabe Orlando Pirates izowenza umlando iphinde ibe iclub yokuqala nqa ukuthi ke ifike kwifinal amahlandla elandelana kangaka. Noma ke iSekhukhune United sizowenza umlando ukuthi ke sikhiphe Orlando Pirates kuyona iMTA Need after ke sebehlala isikhathi eside befika kuona ama semifinals beya kuona ama final. But ke ngizokhuluma le game le namhlanje ngikhuluma nje ngobuhlakani obenziwe ucoach Orlando Pirates uAbdeslam Wadu ukuthi ke akwazi ke ay overcome le game yanamhlanje. Ngizoqala nje ngabo ubuhlakani bakhe uAbdeslam Wadu. Bheka nje i-first lineup yakhe Sipho Chain kwase kuba ubani na uZulu benosiyema as the center backs, kuba uHotho benosibelebele as the usual wing backs. Masuke eswini kuba khona uMokoboti, kube khona uMthiyane, masukuthi ke ku number 10 kube khona ubani na, kube khona uMasilela, masukuthi ke kuma wingers kube khona uMsendami benobani na, benawo Ozuna Police, masukuthi ke up front kube khona uRadio Bana. Niyayibona ke le indlela ishape abade shape up engakhona bekade kwi-shape enormal, ishape ejwayelekile, but ke abadlali few players abebeqalile le game le abadlali abangajwayele ukuyiqala uwenze i-rotation, yabo wenza lento leke ehlulekile ukuthi ke i-management or i-technical team yayo iSekhukhune United izama ukuthi ke ibheke ukuthi oba abadlala kanjani, because uma usubheke nje abadlali abanjengomsendaba, abadlali abanjengobani na, abadlali abanjengomthiyane, abadlali abanjengoZulu ngeke uzobafunde kakhulu because abajwayele ukuthi ke badlale kuLorlando Pirates. But ke uAbdeslam Wadu ukwazi ukuthi ke abaqalise kule game le abatshela ukuthi ke kusimple kumele bakwenze ukuthi ke badlale 1 and 2 and 3 1 and 2 and 3 nizokwazi ke niwine le game. Radio Pane umjito ke uqaleni namhlanje wakora igoli wathola neassist. Ngizoqala nje ngayi defense Orlando Pirates. Once again ngifuna ukuyishayela ihlombe i-defense Orlando Pirates. It seems like abajita sebe understand i-procedure, izinto kumele zenziwe lapha emuva. Yes, at times they were shaky at times, but ke bakwazile ukuthi ke bajida bakwazi ke bayibambe ziqine. Naye kuSipho Chain umjida uyakwazi ke enze izinto zibe lula for i-defense yakhe. If ebona ukuthi ke i-defense yakhe iyahluleka lapho nalapho, now uSipho Chain uyasiphakamisa isandla, akasiwo nje umhlobiso lapha emuva. You saw some of the saves that they wenza namhlanje, yabo, you saw some of the saves. So uma sekuphela ke isizini abantu ke angumele bakhale kakhulu mase bebona uSipho Chain esothola i-goalkeeper of the season, because ama clean sheets kanje iwona lawa ke asiza i-team ukuthi ke i-concede ama goals amancane ikwazi ke iwine mase ke kuphela i-league. The more we concede, the more ama chances ehle ukuthi ke we win i-league. But ke the less you concede, the higher the chances of winning i-league. That is how you win in this game. Mase siza kwinjini yeOrlando Pirates, yayibona kodwa ke injini yeOrlando Pirates namhlanje simbonile uMthetheleni Mthiyane. uMthetheleni Mthiyane uyitholile i-man of the match kwigame namhlanje. Mhlambe ke omunye ubengasho ukuthi ke bakhona ngokwakhe abadlali bebeyideserve, but mina ngokwami uMthiyane namhlanje he was very very good umjita. He was very very good. The progressions umjita methola ibhola uya progressa aye phambili, akafani njengayo normal CDM umdlali ke oyi-CDM ozothatha ibhola phenduka phaselo goalkeeper uma ebona ukuthi ke izinto zinzima. uCDM yethu yanamhlanje uyibonile iCDM thatha ibhola, faka ibhola kulama spaces la ubona ukuthi ke lapho khona i-forward yethu izokwazi ukuthi ke irane ithole ibhola mase ke iyakhahlela, yabo. Ngidinga iCDM kanjalo umdlalo okwazi ukuthi ke mekumakwa siyabuya siyamaka, mephethe ibhola ahlakaniphe ekhanda akwazi ke ashaya amaphasi lawa anzima azophula i-defense khona kube khona umuntu ozorana behind the defense sikwazi ke sishaye net. Niwabonile amabhola adeshawa namhlanje, igoli labalela igoli lakhe uOzuna Police, niwabonile amabhola adenziwa namhlanje ade sipheka kakhulu eswini. Mokoboti benawo Mthiyane engathi ke bazodala uqhekeko olukhulu lapha eswini, bazodala ucoach aloku ecabanga kakhulu ukuthi ke obani kumele badlale, yabo. Abantu ke bangakhali kakhulu mase bebona abadlali babo ababathandayo bengadlali, because oMthiyane bebephamisa isandla bayakwazi ke basebenzise. yabo bayasebenzisa ithuba balinikezwa lona. Big ups to i-midfield yethu bafethu namhlanje. Questionable number 10 wethu Masilela. I hope umchita gets more game time. Athuke ukujwayela kancane kuleya position because it's a very very demanding position. Akusiyona i-position elula ukuthi ke ube number 10 kuyona i-team Orlando Pirates, because I saw also in a police he was really drifting inside playing that position yokuthi ke abo number 10. I really liked i-role ayidlalile also in a police namhlanje because he saw ukuthi ke uMasilela he's lacking their creativity, so he had to drop in deep and collect ibhola kuyona i-defense Orlando Pirates. He was very very helpful uyena also na police namhlanje yabo. Igame yakhe namhlanje akufani njengalama games ajwayele ukwadlala umjida. You saw in his past few games also na police ubengekho right, but ke today you saw ukuthi ke ubezama ngempela ukuthi ke ayisize team ukuthi ke iwine. Congratulations ke umjida uthola igoli kuyona ibirthday yakhe yabo. Ngawuthi ke angayicelebrate kahle ibirthday yakhe nomndeni wakhe with igoli. Kodwa vele phela sengiyulalwa manje why ngithi ke ayoyicelebrate angase nje umjida ke angalala kahle. That's a weird thing to say, I know, but ke continuing with the video, a good game for Radio Pane bafethu. Umjida ke ushaya namhlanje i-brace, washaya i-brace, hayibo akashaya i-brace, ushaya igoli and i-assist. Maybe you can call it that a brace, I don't know, but umjida ushaya igoli ne-assist namhlanje. Congratulations kuyena na umjida. And I would like to talk about the striking position yethu again. Once again, I spoke about i-striker kuOrlando Pirates. Ngasho ukuthi ke Orlando Pirates kumele iqhubeke idlalise abadlali abanjengoMbuthuma, but kumele kube khona i-alternative in using uMbuthuma. Today I did it live. Ngasho ukuthi okay, uMbuthuma uyamdlalisa, but ke yes uMbuthuma wafethu kumele adlale because uyena main number 9 wethu okhona odlalayo. But ke mubona ukuthi ke akakwazi ukuthi adlale ibhola phansi. Use the other alternative things ukuthi ke angakwazi ke akore ngazo. uMbuthuma usengakora ngekhanda, umnandi kwi-height. Umnandi kwi-height uMbuthuma namhlanje. Not namhlanje, but umnandi uMbuthuma kwi-height general. Yabo. So umbona ukuthi ke ayekho umnandi einyaweni. Mbeke eceleni ke udlalise i-striker ezimnandi einyaweni because most of our wingers awashaya ama-cross. You saw basengena uHaaland. Haaland hardly got the ball today because there were no crosses abefakwe eboxini. Ama-wingers ethu bedlala ibhola phansi edlala wodwa. uHaaland namhlanje akatholanga chance because there were hardly any chances, there were hardly any crosses yabo. So into engiyishoyo uHaaland benombuthuma ngeke bakwazi ukuthi ke badlala njengoRadio Pane because uRadio Pane he is a different breed of a striker. Istriker sikwazi ukudropa deep, isigudi ngeenyawo, sikwazi ukugijima yabo. Into engikhalaza kakhulu ngoRadio Pane ukuthi ke uyashesha ukulimala. Once walungisa lapho umjida vethu uzoba one of the best strikers akhona kuBetway Premiership, best yabo. Into engishaya kakhulu ngayo Radio Pane ukuthi ke uyashesha ukulimala. Good game from him today. So ucoach I hope uzohlala phansi with the technical team azama ukuthi ke identify izinto ezenza uMbuthuma angadlali kahle. Mina ngokubona kwami Mbuthuma and uHaaland they are the same profile. They need ibhola la. I saw Mavita Haaland. You saw Mavita Haaland. Most of his goals abekora ngekhanda. Ama-subs esiwashayile, there were many subs esiwenzile bafethu. Sibabonile uBohlale Ngwato. uBohlale Ngwato bafethu umnandi umjida is just that yabo. Mele ehlisa uvalo kancane. Udlalile uNdlozi namhlanje from iSkokuno United. I think that was the only player obedlala kahle kakhulu uNdlozi. Ukwazile ngempela ukuthi ke adlale kahle. Seyesa khipha umsendami because ubebavalile umsendami ngala. Yabo bangena uBohlale Ngwato nabo benza ngalutho oltheni because uNdlozi ubekhona ngempela ubebusy kuleli side la ka right ngala. Samfana uGosisile for me umjida ulitholile ithuba. I feel like umjida it is not the first time ngimbone lithola ithuba yabo. Unalo uvalo umjida meya ehlise kancane yabo, umele ehlise kancane unayo yonke into uGosisile, but one thing ashoda ngayo end product is very very questionable. You have to wonder ukuthi ke ngempela message yimini kahle kahle uyakwazi ukuthi ke atheke on abadlali. Yes, khahlela ke yabo iyona into emala ayisebenzise manje ukukhahlela. Once ufuna ukukhahlela Nkosi yami sizowina, sizothola nje umfuki ngomusha, simple. But ke wangitshela ama comments wena ngokwakho, how did you feel regarding the game?